let's turn this sheet of paper into a booklet. Have a pair of scissors handy. First, we're going to make a hot dog fold. All the text will be facing out. You want to make a very neat fold, so take the time to do it nice and neat. And make a crisp fold. Use the back of your fingernail if possible. And then, after making the initial hot dog fold, you're going to want to fold it again. And again. It's now the size of the booklet, but it does not open like a booklet, right? It does not open like a booklet. What we need now is to totally unfold it. And now we're making a hamburger fold. So we've made a fold this way, and this is the fold side. This is the open side. What we're going to do now is take our scissors and we're going to cut down one section along the crease. So do this neatly. Now here comes the magic. You want to grab these edges here. And you can kind of make it like a beak that's opening and closing. But you're going to pull it out, and you should be able to see an X shape from the top view. If you've done that with your opening, then you just fold it all to one side, and you have your booklet. Ta-da!